Xiaomi Redmi 13C Great Budget Phone. Xiaomi has launched the new Redmi 13C series of smartphones in the past few months. Xiaomi has a good reputation for producing high-quality smartphones at an affordable price point. The Redmi 13C is no exception, offering great features and performance at a great price. The latest leaks and news have led many to believe that the brand new Xiaomi's Redmi 13C will arrive with the powerful MediaTek Helio G85, 12nm, chipset with the addition of a 2.0 GHz octa-core CPU that will have enough power to handle multiple applications at the same time. It is also worth mentioning that this Xiaomi Redmi 13C comes with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal memory, which means that in the future it will be able to store a lot of data. In addition, there will be a dedicated slot for a memory card. The Xiaomi Redmi's 13C is fitted with a large 6.74-inch IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen that can easily support the high resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. With the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass, there is no need to worry about scratches on the display of the Xiaomi 13C. Moving on to the camera section. The users will have a triple camera system on the back of the Xiaomi Redmi 13C that consists of a 50MP plus 2MP plus 0.08MP sensor and a single 8MP selfie camera on the front. The whole new Redmi 13 sees a very big 5000 mAh battery pack that will last up to an entire day on just a single charge. Now all the other brands, including Samsung, should prepare themselves to compete with the new Redmi 13C by Xiaomi in the future. Processor. CPU. Octa-core,